I have a new date today. We're going swimming in the river together. It's going to be great with this big girl. Good morning from the jungle. We're taking this weekend in the middle of the jungle in the place called Tankahan. It's just 3-hour drive from Medan to check out the possibilities in the close area. And so far, just the opportunity to cross this bridge, the trip is completely worth it. Just look at this awesome bridge, it's just perfect. The main reason why I went on this trip is because we're traveling with Brita. She has birthday today, so therefore we wanted to celebrate her birthday outside of Medan.
Happy birthday!
Thank you!
Happy birthday! God bless you, God bless me, God bless everyone.
And just to mention, our neighbor in this lodge. So I now got a ride with Fernando here. We're going down to the city to buy some tickets to take a swim with the elephants and wash them and stuff like that. So here we are, going the road. Then we're registered. Actually, this is the first place in Indonesia where I've experienced you can't discuss the price, get a lower price, get a discount and stuff like that. So here, if you want to do something with the elephants in Tankahan, the price is set. Ito saja. We're now exploring some more places around here in Tankahan. Heard some rumors about a big waterfall that way, so that's where we're heading right now. We are looking for a big waterfall. This one seems quite small. The people pointed this direction. The pictures we've seen is of a big waterfall. We're now definitely at the wrong place. There's no waterfall here. We have to go back and up in the forest again and see if maybe it's further in the jungle. It's starting raining, so the rain is almost gone now, so we're continuing our expedition for finding the big waterfall. We just found out we're at the wrong place. So our driver, they drove us to the wrong place, even though we pointed at the picture we want to go to see this waterfall. But they dropped us off at this place with this little waterfall. So now we've been sitting there in the rain, seeing the little waterfall, not the big one. But there's another rumors about some hot springs. So while we are in the area, we're checking out the hot springs. And we're on the look again. We're almost giving up now. I think the rain will come. It's starting to get really dark. Now we find another guy showing us where the hot spring is.
Di sana kamu lihat?
Okay, so inside di dalam.
Iya, di dalam.
Ah, it's supposed to be inside that mountain, so we have to swim over and go inside the mountain, and then we will find a little pit that's hot. So we just have to change and then go over there and see if that's true. This trip did not end up the way we were thinking. We're like picturing in our head the big waterfall, everything. Instead we've been waiting like several hours under trees because of rain. Small waterfall. We did find the hot spring, and that was quite cool to experience. And now we also find this very nice restaurant on this cliff here. So it turned out to be a quite good trip after all. This nature, this place, just nice to just be around. So Tankahan, I really recommend you to visit Tankahan. Mamma har beställt fruktsalat.